customer states that their dishwasher is leaking. So we started to investigate where would that water was coming from. So yeah, it wasn't the dishwasher. It was a slab leak. So what we started looking for was where the pipe was coming from. So that's the hot water and this is the cold water. But what I can see is that the cold water, I don't see no sleeve. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some of the concrete just for us to be lucky. I just wanted to see if we can get lucky and maybe there's like a half inch of sleeve just on top of the concrete. It was just like when they pour concrete, in between the pipes, the concrete built up a lot. But there was coming water out of this wall, so I'm guessing that there's a little piece of sleeve down there. If I don't see no sleeve, then I won't be able to pull the pipe out. So right now we have our fingers crossed that there is a sleeve somewhere down there. And I'm just removing this concrete little by little. And let's see if something good comes out of here. Let's see. I can see the water coming out of here. I'll show you right now up close. You will be able to see the water coming out. But the water is coming out from this side, and this is the only two pipes that there's there. The sleeve on the hot water is like all the way up, so there's no water up there. But right here, you can see the water coming out of there. And you can see a little piece of a sleeve coming out, just like a 1/4 inch of sleeve coming out of the ground, out of the concrete. So that's more than enough for me. So what you can see, I can see like they soldered like a hole there, like they put a nail to the pipe right there. But that it wasn't leaking from there. The water was coming out of the sleeve from the inside. So I cut it on the other side of the wall because this slab pipe, it's coming from over there, from the front, it's coming this way. So the best way to pull it is gonna be from this side. And I couldn't. So for the bad luck, that water line was right there, right under that, and on the cold side of the shower. So there was no way I could open any walls or anything. So the jacuzzi has to come out. So I'm going to take off the drain and disconnect the water lines from the faucet. So we can we can take it off. This is my handy dandy caulking remover. It just removes like the top layer. Then what I use is I have a spatula that has a steel plate on the back where you can hit it with the hammer, and that'll normally will get all the caulking out of there. So we don't lift all the tile with the tub when we're lifting it. So this came out pretty good. What I had a little bit of trouble, it was with the back of the tub. But here it is. And that's where the pipe is right there. That's my locator, and that's gonna be the pipe. And I check it on this side. There's no signal, but right here I have a 100% signal. So what we're gonna do? So this is the way it looks, and now we're gonna start pulling it out. So with my bulldog tractor jack. It's coming out little by little, but it's coming out. It took us about, 10, 15 minutes to pull this line out. It was about almost 20 feet long, and there it is. I put the pegs in and connected it back right there. So now we're going to go to the other side and connect the other side. There it is. That you can see the sleeve right there. That's the sleeve. If you don't have a sleeve, that pipe is not gonna come out. So now here The helper is cutting it so he can do we can do the solder the transition fitting. So we have an Uponor transition fitting from copper to Uponor, 1/2 inch. We're gonna put it right there, and he's gonna solder it right now, and it's gonna be ready in no time. Hey, if you like this video, give it a like, put it in your favorites, and send it to your friends that slab leaks are possible to pull out and repair without breaking any concrete. All you have to do is just open some walls and take care of the job. And here it is. We have water. Thank you. Bye-bye.